down at Bamborough, parked in a nice little spot away from most of the tourists. Come down on the rocks here, scoping, and this would be a great place to stick a pot just to see. Wish I had one with us. Absolutely beautiful. It's Bamborough Lighthouse just over there. Look at that beach, man. The heron just sitting there. A few punters about now, like. Wasn't when I got here. Definitely would put a pot in there. Just walked back up the beach there, just to ask a dog walker for a poo bag, because I cannot go without picking a few of these, because there's so many of them. Pick the best ones. Winkles. If I've got a pin in the van, oh, look at them two beauties. I'm going to cook them in the van. This brings me back, this, like. Absolutely inundated with winkles. Yeah. It's just hundreds of them everywhere. It's like it's all over. Scoop and choose. There. Don't need. That's nice and deep. So many mussel, young mussel, all the black speckles. Oh my god. Where's your mum and dad, man? Stick a pot in there, 100%. What a great pool. Holy Island just over there. Well, I just got what I'm going to eat. I don't need any more than that. Still got a pan, thank God. And most importantly, I've got a first aid kit with pins in. Oh yeah. So get the gas on, get them cooking up. Bag for the empty shelves. about 5 minutes maximum. Well, that's them done. Just got to drain them now and just get into them. Lovely. I know they look like bogies, but oh yeah, yummy. When I was a kid, they've got eyes in. Most of them have. And I flicked it into my own eye, and my granddad had to take it out. That's my overhead cupboard I've just built. Looks right, doesn't it? Blends in. It's not in the way when I'm sitting down or getting up, and I'm 6'3", so still plenty of headroom. Going to make the same for that side. Yep. Happy. Very happy.